So, nakatapos na kami sa aming destination, which is yung Tomb of the Prophet. So, papunta naman kami ngayon dito sa sunod na aming destination. As you can see, talagang palusong ang aming dinadaanan. So, kailangan humawak po ang ating mga senior citizen sa mga railings. Dahil talagang baka madulas po tayo ng bonggang-bongga, everyone. So, dito kung makikita ninyo sa left side, at ito po yung sementeryo na pinakita ko sa inyo. So, yan, ito yung sementeryo ng mga Jewish. Yan. So, marami po silang mga bato.
Alam mo, hindi malalaki na kanyan na papansyo na parang sa
diba? Kaya po may mga butas yan, yung kanilang anong yan, para pag magtitirik po ng kandila is hindi po mamatay. So doon po sila magtitirik ng kandila, diba? Napaka-safe. Yun lang, everyone. Next destination sana is itong Sanctuary of the Dominus Flevit. So ngayon, imis may oras naman po ditong nakalagay na ang visiting hours po during AM is 8 to 11:45 and then 2:30 PM to 5 o'clock. So, ano na ngayon, mga 1:20. So, hindi kami pwedeng bumisita dahil nga may oras lamang po ng 2:30 to 5 PM. So, hindi kami makakabisita. Shalom, yes. Is that okay? We can enter?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Why?
We're just first time here. Here in Mount Olives. Is it okay to go inside just to visit quickly?
Hi, good morning.
So this is the Sanctuary of the Dominus Flevit. So ako'y nakikiusap kung pwede.
Okay.
So is it okay? We can visit just to take photos and see the church only. That's all. Ayun. Nagpaalam kami ng bonggang-bongga.
Old ancient tomb.
Yes.
Yan.
From time of Jesus.
Yan, ito daw yung mga
boxes
noong time ng
to
Jesus.
keep the bones of the dead people. So we call it sarcophag.
Sarcopal.
Sarcophag is the coffins of bones.
Yung coffins of bones, mga bones.
That's
No?
where they collect the bones of.
So, ito yung Dominus Flevit kung saan si Jesus Christ ay umiyak. Na? Dito siya nagdalamhati, dito siya umiyak.
O nagdasal? Saan siya nagdasal?
Dun. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng Dominus Flevit, which is Jesus wept. Yes.
Wipe up.
Here we have the church of Dominus Flevit. As I told you,
So, napakalaki namin dahil kami pinapasok despite na merong opening hours.
Antonio Ballucci, the Italian architect, he designed it like a form of tears. So we call it the Church of the Teardrop.
Dominus Flevit. Yo, we are so lucky na tayo ay pinagbuksan. Thank you so much. So yan. Narito na ulit kami ngayon. So ito yung manok ni San Pedro. Wait lang kuya. Picture lang ako sandali.
And this is according to the Gospel of Luke.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let's go.